How's it going, guys? I got a new knife in here today. Just came in a couple hours ago. I didn't have a chance to do the video. I had a buddy come visit, but I'm gonna give it a go here. Yeah, I'll tell you what, this Kershaw barge, man, I love this thing. It's CR 13 MOV blade, typical of Kershaw, but I just beat the crap out of this thing, you know. I'd use it for everything, and it's got a pry bar in the end, so you don't gotta carry two tools. It is two tools in one, you know. And trust me, this pry bar holds up. I have abused the crap out of this thing and literally gone out of my way to try to break the pry bar, and it's held up just fine. No issues. But anyway, here we go. We got this Eafengrow or Eafengrow or Eafengrow or whatever, you know, like everybody heard of them. Nobody, you know, I'm not 100% sure how to say it, but anyway, so this is the Eafengrow EF63 D2 steel. Texture G10 handle. Hold on here, sorry guys. Texture G10, look at that. It's pretty aggressive. It's nice and grippy though. So G10 on one side. Boom. Frame lock, steel on the other side. Got a nice pocket clip. It matches the frame. There's only one bolt, or one screw, I mean, but I was confused at first until I realized, like, it should be moving, you know. I'm thinking, and I'm like, you know, I'm looking at it on the picture and I'm like, how is that not moving on there? And I gotta, sorry guys, I gotta figure this out. Look at that. It's got a little indent. Fits in there like a puzzle piece. There we go. Never seen that before. It's very interesting. Now, I don't think that this is a copy of another knife, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway. It's got the flipper tab. It's got little things here, little pieces where the thumb studs would be, but yeah, it's definitely more for aesthetic value. If they got screws in there, you could take it out. It's really weird. I don't know. But anyway, we got G10 backspacer. It's got a G10. It's all one piece here. And it's got a lanyard loop made out of G10. It's part of the G10. There's no metal there. That's weird. Haven't seen anything like that before. So overall length is 8.4 inches. Handle length is 4.8 inches. Blade thickness 0.16 inches. Blade size. Let's see what we got here. About 4 inches. The D2 blade is, they say it's 58 to 60 HRC. We got a drop point blade. Jimping, start here on the back spacer. We got some mild jimping here. It's not super aggressive. As we move up towards the top, we got some on the steel here. It's not terribly aggressive, but it feels pretty comfortable. It'll keep it in your hand. The Texture G10 helps keep it tight in your grip. This is definitely comfortable. Definitely not going to go anywhere. Solid grip, for sure. Got a little more sharper jimping up here on the blade. You could got a little finger choil action here going on up against flipper tab. You could do one of these, sharpen or whittle something or whatever. We got 1, 2, 3 screws on the G10 side. And we got 1, 2 screws on the steel side, plus the pivot screw, which is some sort of a weird trifecta here, but it does have a Torx bit on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I think overall it's a good knife. 5.7 ounces or 162 grams is the weight. I don't know if I said that already, but there it is. So yeah, this is the Eafengrow EF63. Found it on Amazon. I think I paid about 30 bucks for it. I haven't found it anywhere else. I did just a little bit of searching around, but I really didn't find anything else on it. So, if you're interested, check out Amazon. It is October 30th today, 2019. So as of today, it is on Amazon. I will leave a link below in the description if you're interested. It's a very nice knife, very solid, no blade play. It's a larger size knife, but I got some pretty big hands, so fits nice. I like it. It's interesting. It also comes in orange, I believe. Orange G10. So, if you're interested, click the link below in the description. If you got anything to say, please leave it in the comments. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.